Sarah, today I'm going to show you how to make this ice cream using only 3 ingredients. I'll bring you to the most popular shop in Kuala Lumpur for getting good durian and learn how to open thorny durian for the first time. This is so good! I'm at Sinako at Petaling Jaya to eat some durian and get my main ingredient for making ice cream. This is the best durian species. We call it Musang King. Look at the thorns. You can kill someone with this. And we like to eat with hands. Alright, the first one. Ooh, look at this. This is really good. Some people say it smells like smelly socks. Well, it does, but it doesn't taste like it. So creamy. Custard. It's cleaner this way, but it's no fun, so I'm not gonna eat with these gloves anymore. Sanitize my hands. I'm gonna eat it with my bare hands. The next one. So creamy, so yellow, so fresh. So delicious. I'm very lucky to get premium Musang King. It's in this basket reserved by their guest, but he didn't come today. Though I came late, but I still get it once. 60 ringgit for 4 pieces. After enjoying some delicious durian, it's time to pack the goodies home for my family and for making durian ice cream. Okay, start powering it. Okay, let it roll out. 5. We're back home and my mom's going to teach me how to open these 2 durian XO. Say that this is more bitter than something. This is much cheaper. This is 50 ringgit per kg. Something about 50, 40. This is half the price of Musang King. She refused to let me use Musang King to make ice cream because she said it's a waste. So we're gonna remove the stem first. Made it hard, but hard is where freshness to it. Oh. She's making a V shape and then she sort of cracks it open. We're working really good. Wow! Wow! It's good. So nice! Turn to. I cannot. What I cannot? Open up. Mama say I cannot. You will teach me. Yeah, I've never done this before, so my mom's going to show me. I say I cannot. Maybe you can try. If I manage to do this, it will be thumbs up. Like this, right? Yeah.
When there's a line, you know.
There's a lot.
Yeah, normally there's a line like this, and then this way. But this one can't see properly.
Like this, is it? Claw it, is it?
Yeah, you
so that it won't be
it. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
I don't
want to kill my mom. Wow. Very fresh. Make a V shape, right?
Yeah.
V shape here?
Yes.
V shape here. Here, can you see? Here I've already cracked it. It's so hard. Okay, already. Just I need to use energy on it. Let me do it. Look at her face.
You have to use
hands too. Scared I'm gonna hurt myself. I can see the durian already. Opening. Yeah. Ay, mommy, let me do it. Okay. Managed to open this durian with Sara Khong. Okay, now me. Did I do a good job? And
properly because it's a
I forgot. Drink something with this.
one drink is like
Beer. But then you cannot have beer. It's peach.
And the drinks here, don't drink beer with Korean, don't drink alcohol or anything.
Why?
You only can drink plain water. Plenty of it, you have to drink. This one, just sweeter.
Sweeter?
This is cake.
Took it all out. I'm gonna make ice cream with it now. Okay, now I'm ready to make durian ice cream. We only need 3 tools and 3 ingredients. For the tools, we'll need a pot, a whisk, and a popsicle bowl. As for the ingredients, we'll need durian, coconut milk, 250 ml, and cow's milk, 100 ml. The thing we need to do is to get 200 grams of flesh of this durian. I made this recipe a few years ago and I don't remember how many durians we need to make 200 grams, so we're gonna try now. So 1 durian makes about, 2 durian seed makes about 90 grams. Let's put more in here. 100. Oh, we got 200 grams from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seeds. If you don't have a weighing scale, it's okay. It's about 1 cup of durian flesh. We're gonna start cooking. Put the durian flesh in. This is super easy. Just put the durian flesh in, the coconut milk and the milk. Pour it all in. It looks like this. I'm going to turn on the fire. Pick this up and I'm gonna use a whisk to stir it. Stir this slowly until the durian flesh melts. You may not call this ice cream, but in Malaysia we do. We call this ice cream potong. I have durian flavored ice cream potong that I got from the supermarket. Let me show you. Ice cream potong looks like this. Yum. Stir this slowly until the durian flesh melts. Very fast. I think a few minutes will do. This is melting already. Come over. Can you see? Stick now. For my curries, I like to use fresh coconut milk, but for this, I use canned coconut milk because it's creamier and thicker. It's forming now. Can you see? It's very thick. Look at this. The bit of flesh, it's okay. Then you have some bite later. See what I'm making? Durian? Durian what?
Durian what? Durian ice cream. Smell is good.
Smells good, right?
So you just cook it.
Yeah, I just cook it with coconut milk and milk. And then I just put it in this mold, put it in the fridge, that's all.
Oh, easy.
We're done with the cooking, we just need to let it cool. If you're impatient like me, you can put it in a pot of water to make it cool faster. Already cool, we're gonna put it into the popsicle mold now. I'm gonna scoop it in. It's going to be thick and nice. I'll tell you where to get the mold at the end of the video. You can see that there are some holes inside. What you do is clean it up a little. Now that we're done, we're gonna put this into the freezer.
It's a scene to waste durian. I'm going to lick it clean.
I can already imagine the ice cream is gonna taste really good.
Clean.
Let's see how our ice cream looks like after 24 hours. Let's try to take this out. Wow, it's hard. It's hard to take this out, so I'm gonna put it in a pot of water. Let it melt just a little bit at the side, so that will be easier to take out. That's our 3 ingredients durian ice cream. Let's see how it tastes. Soft. It's good. Very rich durian flavor. It's like eating frozen durian to me. So easy and so delicious. The full recipe is in my food blog, New Malaysian Kitchen. Check it out in the link below. What was that?
Durian ice-cream.
Durian. Oh, okay.
You wanna try?
Yeah.
How's it?
Creamy. Yeah, it's nice.
Okay.
It's very
Is
good.
it too sweet?
No, it's nice.
Shall I add sugar?
No, I don't think so. It's good enough.
We try to be healthy,
yeah,
not
yeah,
eat
yeah,
too
yeah.
much
Not too much sugar. It's natural sugar.
Wait for me.
What's that? Wow.
Which one do you prefer?
Well, this one more natural. It's a real durian. Inside a lot of cream, I think. Not that much of durian.
So?
I prefer this.
Really? You prefer mine?
Yeah.
Really? Then we don't have to buy this anymore.
Yeah, you can
This
make
is
it.
so easy to make.
Yeah, you can make it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, next time I make for you.
Okay, thank you. 好重榴蓮味。
好重榴蓮味。
It's good.
If you like more easy, healthy, tasty recipes like this, please subscribe and hit the bell icon at the side as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Wow. And in the fridge, without wrapping it with cling wrap, the whole fridge will smell of durian.
Can't smell anything.
Check in the fridge. I found the mold from Daiso.